Just gonna interrupt.
Okay, it's the same group. We got 2 stunners on us right now. Yep, same group with the crossbow.
He turns around, so you're gonna have 5.
Just make sure he doesn't get it before the 10-second mark.
Okay, we got 5 here.
Alright, kite back, play safe. Kite back, play safe.
I'm down here. Right behind the stone.
Alright, 2 fucking animals on there, are you serious? Kite back. Everybody kite back, kite back. Alright, they're off me, we're good.
Okay, that was 1 burst. Gotta keep doing it.
God damn it.
Kill this, kill this.
Green circle, green circle.
Come on, cross.
Oh, come back.
Just on crossbone south, Koos.
Snipe coming on cross. Snipe on Adamir, snipe on... Beam on Obes, beam on...
Interrupt. Push, everyone, push.
Koos south. Going south. Interior so
Beams on
low.
Obes, beams on Obes.
Mentroso, finish him, finish Mentroso.
Oh, come back.
Kill the tiger.
Okay,
Out of mana.
Watch
beam
that
on
blink
Obes, beam on
stun.
Obes, beam on Obes. Beam.
I'm stunned. Now.
Tabs going down.
Pole hammer.
I was stunned. 5 seconds.
Keep off the cap,
Interrupt.
keep off the cap.
It's interrupted.
On Koos,
Koos
going down,
Koos down.
backing up.
Pole hammer,
Choose
pole
out,
hammer.
choose out.
He got far enough away.
Koos.
Beam on Obes.
Crossbow.
Hammer. Crossbow
Green
now.
circle the back. You can heal standing it.
Okay, doing fine. Everybody take a breather.
I've used my potion.
We have to see if 1 goes north here. I have eyes on 2, 3, 4. 4, we only have 4 here, Adamar.
Okay, I'm moving. Let me know if there's 5.
Still 4. 1 crossbow.
I got him, he's interrupted.
Alright, beamos.
Arcane is up here, you don't have an arcane to face.
I need you on point with those beams, Harry.
I'm stunned all the time. Whenever you ask, I'm stunned.
I'm stunned.
You're out.
Alright,
Again?
beamos.
Arcane's still in tent.
Green circle.
Okay, he's coming back.
Low mana.
If you can land those beams, we can one-shot them every time, Harry.
Yeah, I know. Both of the times you asked, I was stunned.
Okay, they might
I
be
need to
sending
stay a
some
little
more.
bit away.
I'm trying to get eyes. Move up a little
Can
bit.
we kite backward to the tent? I should really grab a mana pot.
Keep eyes on north, Adamir. Don't leave up there.
Yeah, he was
Cleric,
going south.
We got
Clear,
3
change
south.
to Malachim.
3
Change.
south only. 3 south only. We need to push if
Yep.
we're only going to send 3. Okay, I got 4. All 5
Change-
south. All 5 south.
Change to Malachim.
I
Cleric
can't,
is
I
low.
have sacrifice helm. The sacrifice is way too good. It's
All
fine, don't
5
worry about
south. All 5.
it.
Back
Regroup,
up. Back
regroup,
up.
regroup.
Make them try to start capping. There we go. There we go. Now engage.
You're out.
Plan,
You're out.
plan,
You're
plan.
out. You're out.
Pull hammer. He's got
Green circle
shield.
back. Green circle
Pull
back.
hammer. Get on Minchuzo.
Intruso.
Beam on O's. Beam on O's.
Switch between pull hammer and crossbow.
You're free. You're free. You're free.
Puka's low also. Coos on the
They're all
bottom.
low.
Coos on the bottom.
Okay, when you get in there, I'm gonna put a green circle offensively. You're free. You're free. You're
Minchuzo.
free. You're free.
Minchuzo.
Okay, fight in the green circle if you can. It heals.
Good call. Good call. Snipe incoming. Snipe incoming on someone.
Coos.
I didn't make it. I didn't make it. He heals on Obes. Good job. Good
Coos
job.
again on the top. Coos on the top.
I'm in trouble again. I'm backing up. Backing up.
Minchuzo in the lines.
Pull all the way back. All the way back. All the way back. Let Obes get full. Like Obes get full.
Guard the cap. Guard the cap.
Guard the cap,
Pull
guard the
back.
cap.
Swix, you
Look at
got.
that snipe.
Good job.
Fight in the
I'm
green
out
circle.
of this.
Guard the cap. Fight in the green circle.
Crossbow top right.
Fine here.
Obes, come back for heal.
Switch to crossbow.
I dodge a
you're good,
snipe.
you're
I dodge a.
Obes, that was fucking amazing.
Don't
Piranha,
fire the
piranha.
tank. Don't attack the tank. Don't attack the tank.
Okay.
I'm just pushing him back.
This is perfect.
It's a 15-second cooldown.
How we-
They kept
Lost.
top.
They kept up. Push.
I'm going.
I'm stunned.
Snipe
I'm
coming.
stunned.
Snipe. Get ready for
Beam
beam.
ready.
Beam.
Adamir, go north. Adamir, go north. Adamir, go north.
I
Fast
am
as you can.
already
Fast as you
here.
can.
We need to push here.
Oh, snipe.
You're out. You're out. Obes, you're out. You're out. You're out.
I dodge it. I dodge it. Back and cross.
Let's get
Please focus the damage with tops. Focus with tops.
cat back behind
Obes, you're
you.
deep. Obes, you're too deep. You're too deep.
Pole hammer behind us.
Behind us. We need to cut behind us.
Okay.
Oh,
Get turn.
I'm out of mana.
Doing well.
Just
Hold
wait. We don't have to cap it right now.
Got a mana.
Mintrosa.
Pop pots, tab. Get on the crossbow.
Pole hammer.
Who's
hammer.
on top? Never mind. Pull hammer.
I'm ready for beam.
Oh, you're free. You're
Beam
free.
on.
You're free. You're free.
Beam is up. Beam is up.
Ah, he moved out of
Back on crossbow on top.
back on cross.
Obes,
We
come
need
back.
to
Obes,
push.
come back.
Pull hammer.
need
Pull
to
hammer
push.
right here in the middle.
Ready for beam.
Okay, back on crossbow.
I'm stunned.
Switch.
I'm stunned.
Heal us down. Heal
Shield
us
is
down.
Ready
I'm
for beam on
capping.
Oaks
I'm
when you're ready.
capping.
Beam me.
Beam is up.
Beam me.
Beam is up.
Zone them for me. I'm
Fight as
capping.
quick as you can.
Both of them. Hey, both tanks are low. Focus them.
We're capped.
Crossbow.
Mintuzo's half.
I'm stunned.
Pull hammer's
They're
half.
zoning me. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Goose
Pull
is
hammer.
half. Goose.
Crossbow.
They're all weak. Push them all back.
Crossbow on the south.
Obes, you're deep.
Okay, they're all low.
Okay.
Ready for beam on a. Turn on.
One-handed hammer.
Find the circle. Find the circle. Find the circle.
Oh, he's one hit. We're doing fine. We don't need.
Keep pushing.
Circle,
I need to
circle,
cap.
circle.
Keep pushing. I'm capping.
I can zone. Keep that cap.
They're fine. Don't push any
Nice.
further. Don't push
Nice.
any further.
Okay, we're good. Pull
Good
back. Pull
job.
back.
Adam, I'll go check north.
I'm gonna
No,
check
just
north,
leave
yeah.
north. Just
I'm
leave
checking
north. We've got all three. We just need these two. Just stay here.
Okay. All right.
Stay here. We need Ademir at the back
We need
watching
eyes.
east.
We need to know. where they
Ademir,
are.
watch eyes.
Got
Watch
eyes
east.
on three. Three only.
We're gonna take north. We have to watch back too. I'll do that.
Yeah, Adamir, watch back.
Okay.
Well,
Guys,
we can
are-
fight back here. We can fight back here.
Yeah.
So
Stay
we can
here.
get to that cap better.
You're here.
Stay over there. I'll interrupt back here.
You got four at bottom. Get on Coos.
Green circle, green circle.
Goose, I'm ready for a beam up. Beam up, beam wolves, beam wolves.
Go, 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 go.
Got one pole hammer back here. I'm getting him.
On the healer and Goose, stay. Orb's ready for a beam.
Now, 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 now.
He dodge out, he dodge.
Stop, big stop, big stop.
I'm backing up, I'm backing up, I'm backing up.
Green circle.
Everyone
green
pull
circle.
out.
Green circle.
Everyone.
Dance in the green, dance in the green, dance in the green.
Pole hammer's down.
Good job, man. I'm here. Crop.
You're beamed.
They just keep blinking out of the snipe.
Yeah, it's fine. They're not winning the fight though.
There you go, kept up.
Beam is up. Go.
Oh, you're free, oh, you're free, you're free.
All right, beam.
Green circle, find the green
Beam, you
circle.
wanna-
Beam in 5. Beam now, ready.
He's one hit. He's one. Get the healer. Don't target the tank. Get the healer. All right, they're
Splix,
back
you-
all the way up to the tank. They're back all the way up to the tank.
Splix, you need
Back
to
up,
focus
back up.
more. You need to
Yeah,
focus more.
Yeah, I'm in the back. Just
Yeah.
fun.
Okay, the stun
Pull
is
back,
about
pull
to
back.
be up for Montezuma. Yeah, I'm ready for beam on.
You're free, Flick, you're free.
Go now, go now.
Green circle, green circle, green circle.
Stay on Koos. Use their DPS. Koos and Montezuma.
Low mana, healers, low mana.
Ready for beam on Obs. Ready for beam on Obs.
Beam is up. Beam is up.
You have no healer right now.
It's okay.
Oh, you deep, man.
It's okay. I'm protecting him.
Pole hammer, pole hammer. Pole hammer now. Okay, Goose now. Goose on the right.
Goose.
Piranha's also low.
Oh, you're free, oh, you're free, you're free.
Kurasana almost down. He's one hit. He's one hit. Good job.
Low
Good
mana,
job.
healer, low mana, healer, low mana.
Materials half.
You're free. Oh, tab.
Obs ready for beam. Obs ready for beam.
Guys, let's pull back, pull back, pull back. Oh, never mind, we're good, we're good.
Kill Goose. Kill Goose.
Don't die.
Kill Goose.
Oh,
Fuck.
Do not die. 40 seconds, don't die. Oh, you're free, you're free.
Kurasana. Get Kurasana. Get
Out of mana, out of mana, out of mana. Healer out of mana.
We need 20
Right.
seconds to win. We need 20
Right.
seconds. Pull out.
Kurasana. Get Kurasana. Get Kurasana.
Yeah.
Fifteen seconds.
Ghost, please.
You're free, you're free, you're free, you're free. Oh my
job, guys.
god, Splix, dude, that
Good
was
job,
beautiful.
guys.